Guys, I'm here on Qatar Airways in Q Suite business class, and I'm actually having one heck of an experience. It's my first time on business class. I'm already drinking my champagne. I made a couple friends already on Q Suite, and we have Matthew and Yanu.
Here we go.
Hi, hello.
Hi,
I'm Matthew.
I'm Yanu.
They actually have visited Jordan before, so eventually maybe you might see us in Jordan. Have a safe flight, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Qatar Airways Business Suite, definitely well worth it. As soon as you enter, you get the highest level of customer service from the flight attendants. It's kind of like a cruise ship where you get one waiter for the whole cruise for your dinners. You have 2 menus. You get to choose from anything on this menu. Alcohol is included. It's all you can drink, all you can eat. There's really no appointed time on when you eat. You just order as you go. They have a wide selection of TV shows. I personally have been charging all my equipment, and they have plenty of room to organize everything. They have like a little compartment down here where you can store and organize all your things, which I'm really keen on organizing. I love organizing, guys. So far, I'm really happy. I took a nap earlier. I'm very satisfied. I have a layover in Doha for 18 hours. And then I have a flight from Doha to go to Athens. And then I have a flight from Athens to Santorini. I'll be in Santorini for 5 days. And then I'll be taking a flight to Madrid for a friend's wedding. We just landed in Doha International Airport. Getting a free massage.
Yeah.
It was really good. So I'm trying to enter Doha.
Your passenger?
Sorry?
Your passenger?
Yes.
Who's give permission for taking photo?
Oh, okay. I didn't know that I wasn't allowed.
This is the medical field. No, not allowed. You took any photo from here?
No. Just arrived in Santorini. It's been literally 48 hours of traveling on 3 different airplanes, going from Los Angeles to Doha, Qatar, to Athens, and now to Santorini. So we're finally here. Hopefully we're gonna get a ride from these guys. I'm getting a pretty good deal. It's about 15 euros. Are you the owner?
I'm a supervisor.
He's an honest guy. I can tell based on his facial expressions. And she's honest too. Hello. Guys, it's very exciting. We found 5 people to travel with us to Perissa. Now we are paying each person 12 euros, giving this guy way more business than he expected.
Tell me that you want me, that you feel the same way. Tell me that you hold me, hold me all day.
All right, so I found this place called Aris. Got this little gyro wrap. It's more than delicious, guys. Bon appetit. Thank you so much. And I made some new friends. We got Jamie and Anissa from San Francisco,
Hong Kong.
from Hong Kong, but they both live in Italy. They're studying over there, and it's been a pleasure just sitting down with them. Hasta la vista, baby.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go grab some breakfast really early in the morning. I'm here at Stelios Place. This is actually run by a family home, and it's very common for a lot of these bungalow things. Right now I'm going to look for my first place to eat some breakfast. I'm sure there's a lot of places to choose from. I don't know about this early in the morning. First day in Santorini, and I am on black sand beach. Something is magical happening. I'm at a 24-hour bakery in Perissa, and I get nothing but great service here. There's really not too many things open too early in the morning. One of the best things that you can do when first arriving in a town is simply just to leave the place that you're staying at and wander aimlessly. Walk around, just take it all in. Don't feel like you have to be accomplishing something the first day. Trust that the day will be filled with all sorts of wonderful things. Take advantage of every opportunity, but at the same time, don't have too many expectations and make too many efforts to try to fit everything in all at once. Take your time, enjoy it. First day, explore, and you won't regret it. So far what I've noticed is Greek people are awesome. You know, when I go to the store, the bakery, people are just super sweet here. I love this place. Stay in Santorini, no better way to take a good dip. So currently we are in Perissa, and we're waiting at a bus stop that'll hopefully take us to Fira. Greece in general just seems to be a really cool place. You notice when you go to like a shop, it's being run by a family. It's kind of stepping away from that capitalist idea. Instead, it's like very family oriented over here. Kind of like my hometown in Jordan, and it's all good. Just ran across this cool guy named Angelo.
Nice to meet you, brother. Welcome to Greece.
He's running this restaurant. He's the owner. One day.
One day, American dream.
Look out for Angelo.
Yes, us.
Yes, us. We are in Fira at McDaniel's. And I highly recommend that you guys come to this place because the sandwiches are really, really good. Thank you. You're welcome. I just found a few other travelers that were willing to be in a video, and we just kind of created this story. That was really cool, guys. We just, hello. How are you?
How are you?
Tell me about Santorini.
Yes, Santorini, very nice Santorini. Yeah.
Tell.
Over.
Santorini?
Yeah. Beautiful Santorini.
Okay, we just finished up with Fira, and now we are on our way to Iya. Fira was awesome. It's always been a dream of mine to go to Santorini, and finally I am here, and it's very exciting. Next time we come here, we'll definitely have to stay a lot longer and visit all the surrounding islands. Definitely a place that you'll always want to come back to because of how magical this place is. We'll see you guys in Iya. NBC News, KCal95. We have officially met two awesome individuals from Ireland.
Yes, sure.
Originally from Miami.
And Poland. Hello.
And Poland. Nice to meet you.
No, that was Polish. Joel, from
Joel.
Miami.
And we're gonna be in Ireland soon.
Do my rock look. Hold on. When he does that.
It is day 2 in Greece. Yesterday we went to Fira and Iya, and it was a successful day. I didn't expect how awesome it would be, but it ended up really awesome. Today I slept in due to jet lag. I just kind of stayed in my room and relaxed until about 2 p.m. And now I am exploring Perissa, which I'm the only one walking these roads, as you can tell. Look at all the shrub right here. When I'm in Jordan in my grandma's neighborhood, it looks just like this. I kid you not. This beach is just beautiful. There's no reason why I should go anywhere else except to stay in this lovely paradise. I mean, just check it out. Perissa, what I love about it, what I would highly recommend is that anyone coming to Santorini, stay in Perissa because it's a very quiet area. It's a time to step away from the hustle and bustle, especially in Fira and Iya. The water is fantastic, guys. It is so refreshing. You can actually see to the bottom of the ocean where you're standing. It is that clear. It is like a swimming pool. Okay, we took a little nice swim, and now we're gonna go find a bus to Fira, and then from there we'll probably go to Red Sand Beach. That's Red Beach. It's really nice. I mean, you don't have to take one of these catamaran tour. You can pay, 10% of the price that these guys charge you, which is like 150 euros, something insane like that. If you want to have like an organized trip and you're rich, take one of these tours. If you're not rich, take the bus, hitchhike, be creative. So whenever I travel, I end up learning more and more about myself and how to be a better version of myself. And what I've learned today is not to take things personal at all. If somebody's being rude, they don't even know who you are. You know who you are. So there's no reason to copy their rudeness or reciprocate that aggressiveness towards them. Kill them with kindness. Kill them with love.
Did you search for Vida Olympia?
Yeah, it's
Say hello, guys.
Hello.
Where are you from?
Germany.
and
What,
friends.
what part of Germany are you from?
Stuttgart.
Oh, nice.
It's the best place in Germany, obviously. You have to go there.
Very biased.
why is it
S-town.
why is it the best town? Because it's
It's
really
got the
boring.
best people,
That's true. The best people, but it's super boring.
No, the people make it amazing.
Yeah, and you?
I was born in Paris.
Nice. Why do you like Paris? Actually, why do most people not like Paris?
Because of the Parisians, I guess.
The what?
Huh?
The Parisians?
The Parisians, the people who live in Paris, because they're
Oh.
special species, let's
Okay.
say.
Hi. Why do you guys like Greece?
Good weather, beautiful
Good-
beaches,
good food, nice people.
Yeah,
Nice.
that's it.
Yeah.
There you have it, guys. NBC TV News, KKL95, back to you, sports. Okay, so we've been waiting for the bus for approximately 45 minutes,
Yeah, well,
30 minutes,
that's the second bus we're waiting
and
for.
then the
right?
bus comes by and doesn't even pick us up, and now we're stuck. Hello! How's your day?
My day was pretty good.
What do you want to tell people in California?
Sleep well, go to the beach, and smile all the time.
Tula, you have to get married and have babies. Fear of missing out is the biggest lie you'll ever experience because there's nothing you're missing out on. A million other people are thinking that they're missing out, okay? So think of all those million that are feeling the same way you are, and then suddenly you'll realize you're not really missing out on anything because nobody's really doing nothing. NBC TV News reporting live here in Greece. A bus has missed a group of passengers and they are now stranded in the middle of nowhere. Back to you. Weather. Here at a really good restaurant in Perissa. This is Mike.
Yeah,
He's the owner of the restaurant. He's originally from Nigeria. He came here over 20 years ago, joined the pros for soccer, and then ended up staying here and opening up these Asian restaurants, one in Perissa in Santorini and one in Athens.
Exactly.
This guy,
Kentucky.
he's the real deal. We're about to eat some awesome food. Come to this place. All right, guys, I am arriving at Studio's place. Guys, I have no idea where I'm walking to. As long as you're by the beach, everything will be okay. One American and one Swiss woman were driving, swung by, picked all three of us up, dropped us off at our location, and that's how you do it when you're traveling, guys. Sometimes you gotta hitchhike.